You need more pillows? Oh, I'm curious. Lay down, okay.
Yeah.
Here, what about this one? Okay. You need more, you say. That's what Mia means, more. In Case's language. What are you gonna do? Lay down, okay. Case, are you gonna do your lay down? Case, are you gonna do your laying down?
Coming.
Now what do you do now?
Coming.
Do you go